Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a summary of a poem which is written by Kamala Das, and the poem name is Words. Kamala Das, first, Kamala Das born on 31st March 1934, in the year 1934 in British Presidency, Madras, and she was popularly known by her pen name Madhavi and with her married name Kamala Das, and she was awarded by Sahitya Academy Award, Asan World Prize, Asian Poetry Prize. Her notable works are Entikatha, My Story, The Descendants, and she died in the year 2009 at the age of 75 in Maharashtra, India. Coming to the poem Words describes the power of words and the poet fear of words as the words keep growing in her. This poem shows especially of women suffering, especially a woman writer, the suffering of a woman writer. Well, this poem explained in three parts. In the first part of the poem, the poet says that she was surrounded by words, because in this poem a literary device is used, and the literary device is anaphora, which is a deliberate repetition of words for emphasis. Next, the poem that this repetition of the words probably refer to the poetry. Next, the poet says that she was surrounded by words, and the words grow in her like leaves. Leaves, they never seem to stop slow growing. Here, according to the poet, the words the words are come from her heart are like leaves which keep growing, which always keep growing. Here, the poet uses a simile to compare her poetry with the leaves. By comparing her poetry with leaves, the poet refers to some hidden instinct which causes the words outcome like photosynthesis in the leaves. Yes, we all know that to write a poem, either it may be in a ballad form, sonatic form, epic, free verse, to write a poem, the poet requires imagination, comparison, and he uses nature to compare. To write a poem, it requires a lot of imagination, creativity. In this way, to write a sentence, we require words. Here, the poet uses the words and it refers to leaves. Here, the poet compares the words with leaves. In the next part of the poet warns herself as the words are quite annoying. And the poet uses a metaphor and compares her poetry with various things, and she to justify her argument why she doesn't like her poetry. She at first she compares her poetry with a fissure, a chasm, which is a fissure, a deep fissure in the earth's surface. According to her, the poetry and the words are deep holes where the running feet must pause as there is a sea with paralyzing waves. Here, the running feet refers to imagination, and the sea with paralyzing wave refers to a society which doesn't allow a woman to write, to imagine, and to confess because of this dominated society. Next, hence the words are problem to her in particularly, and to all the women in general. And she calls the words as a blast of burning air. In the next part of the poem, the poet repeats the beginning words. As the words are quite annoying and the words are surrounded by her, as they keep growing in her, they never stop growing, they never stop coming from inside, that is from our heart. It is a suffering. Why she says that it is a suffering? Because she has the power of creating, and she has a power to write, and she can write easily, she can create with her imagination. But in this dominated society, at our time of writing, she was dominated by the males. She is not allowed to write, and the poem ends in a deep grief, describing that describing the problems that woman writer has to face in a male dominated society. In this way, our poet Kamala Das explains the poem. Thank you. Keep watching my channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.